2025 GT3 8K Professional GPS Drone, Brushless Motor, Obstacle Avoidance, Touchscreen Remote. 180 degrees adjustable camera. Experience the next generation of intelligent aerial photography with the 2025 GT3 8K Professional Drone, a compact, high-performance quadcopter engineered for stunning visuals, precise control, and enhanced safety. Whether you're an aerial photography enthusiast, drone racing fan, or casual pilot, the GT3 is packed with advanced features to take your flying experience to a whole new altitude. This foldable, lightweight quadcopter comes fully loaded with GPS-assisted flight, 3-sided obstacle avoidance, and a remote-controlled 180 degrees adjustable camera capable of shooting in crisp 4K, 6K, or 8K resolution. It's a complete aerial photography powerhouse that fits in your hand. Highlight features: 4K, 6K, 8K HD adjustable camera. Capture ultra-clear aerial shots with the high-definition camera that supports up to 8K resolution. The lens is electrically adjustable up to 180 degrees, enabling upward, forward, downward, and portrait shooting, perfect for cinematic storytelling. 3-sided intelligent obstacle avoidance. Equipped with infrared sensors on the front, left, and right, the GT3 intelligently detects and avoids obstacles, ensuring safer and smoother flights, even in tight or complex environments. GPS plus optical flow dual positioning. Enjoy accurate and stable hovering with GPS global positioning outdoors and optical flow positioning indoors. This hybrid system allows for precise location hold, altitude control, and return to home functionality. Fully enclosed propeller design. The safe blade guard system protects the propellers, making it ideal for flying indoors or around people. Plus, the compact body, 13.6 by 11 by 4.7 centimeters, folds down for ultra-portability. Touchscreen remote control. The GT3 comes with a responsive touchscreen remote that puts all flight commands at your fingertips. Easily adjust camera angles, initiate takeoff, engage follow modes, or activate obstacle avoidance. Smart flight modes via mobile app. Connect the drone to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and unlock advanced flight modes through the mobile app. Trajectory flight. Draw your flight path on the screen. One key return to home. Real-time video transmission, FPV. Headless mode for simplified navigation. 360 degrees rolls and aerial acrobatics. Impress your viewers with built-in one-button flips and rolls, adding flair to your flight videos or performances. Combined with a brushless motor system, the GT3 offers smoother, quieter flights and improved resistance to wind and turbulence, perfect for both beginners and professionals. Checkmark 6-axis gyroscope for stability. What's in the box? 1 GT3 drone, foldable. 1 touchscreen remote controller. 1 rechargeable drone battery. 4 spare propellers. 1 USB charging cable. 1 user manual. 1 screwdriver plus accessories kit. Perfect for aerial vlogging and content creation, professional photography and filmmaking, real estate and tourism shots, travel and outdoor adventures, indoor training and beginner pilots, drone racing, lightweight, brushless, agile. Technical specifications. Model name GT3 2025 drone. Camera resolution 4K, 6K, 8K HD. Camera adjustability electrically adjustable, 180 degrees vertical. Control type touchscreen remote plus app. Drone size, unfolded, 13.6 by 11 by 4.7 centimeters. Weight approximately 295 grams. Flight modes: GPS hold, headless, 1 key return, trajectory flight. Obstacle avoidance front, left, right, 3-sided, stabilization 6-axis gyroscope plus optical flow. Channels 4 channels plus 360 degrees flip capabilities. Connectivity 2.4 GHz plus Wi-Fi FPV. Battery and flight time varies based on model, typically 15 to 20 minutes, transmission distance approximately 150 to 200 meters. Wi-Fi FPV, app support iOS and Android, with real-time transmission.